Make a great choice today with the 2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. And is priced below $60,000. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, power passenger seat, stability control, Bluetooth. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.